Yes, today is on the 5th April. Now you can see in the Shivam International Schools there is a annual test examinations are going to be conducted. So you can see the live. What are the performance of the students in the social science subjects? So I am going to ask the questions related to this topic. So students must answer that. Yes. So Narendra Kumar,
Yes, sir.
Vikram Purohit,
Yes, sir.
and Rahul.
Yes, sir.
Okay. These all are the 7th class. So my first questions to Narendra, you. If anybody is no, just you have to raise your hand. Sir, I know. Okay. So my first questions to Narendra. Narendra, tell me how many percentage of nitrogen is present in the atmosphere?
73.
73 percentage. How many?
78%.
78 percentage. 78. Yes. Okay. Tell me how many percentage of oxygen is present in the atmosphere?
Oxygen. 20. 21.
21 percentage. Right. Okay. Which gas is very responsible for the global warming?
Atmosphere.
Which gas is responsible for the global warming effect? CO2. Very good.
CCl4.
Yes, very good. What is global warming? What do you mean by the word global warming? Can you elaborate, Narendra? Yes, please. What?
In the ozone layer, there is layer. In that layer, if the ultraviolet, if we conduct pollution in ozone layer, there will become a hole. Uh, if the hole can become, then it is very dangerous for us. Ozone layer is protecting us from ultraviolet rays. Then the ozone layer conduct negative effects that
Yes. What are the negative effect due to the global warmings have that we have to see?
skin problems.
What? Skin problems. Yes. And how do we can control it? How can manage?
More and more trees.
Uh,
Minimize the use of
yes.
chemicals, minimize the use of chemical products.
Next questions I am going to ask to Narendra. Narendra, tell me the chemical formula of ozone gas.
Ozone layer.
Yeah.
CS4.
No.
O3.
O3. Yes. O3. Yes. How the air pressure and temperature related to each other? Can you explain?
If the air pressure is high, then temperature will become low.
Low. Yes. Okay. Air pressure. If we going to the mountain, chicken, then air pressure is decreasing or increasing?
Decreasing.
Decreasing. Then what types of problems we face? The mountaineers face because of the low air pressure.
Blooding out.
Blooding out of nose. Yes, such kinds of problems. Yes, very good. So my next questions to Narendra too again. Narendra, can you tell me what do you mean by the word ecosystem?
Ecosystem.
Yes.
Ecosystem. It is the study of the interaction of living organism to the it is mainly three types: herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous.
Yes. So yes, ecosystems have 3 types: herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Yes. So how many features of ecosystems have, Rahul? Like producer.
Producer, consumer, decomposer.
Very good. Okay. Can you tell me the consumer's example?
Consumer, those who eats.
For example, herbivorous, carnivorous. These are the example of consumers. Okay. Can you example what do you mean by the word producer? This is the main features of the ecosystems too. So the producers means what are the role of producers? Yes, Vikram. Producers.
Which we get from nature.
Yes, that the producer is used to create the food itself. Chicken by taking the oxygen, sunlight, and waters from the environment. Huh. So my next questions to Narendra too. Narendra, tell me how many components of environment have?
Two.
Which are those?
Abiotic or biotic.
Biotic and abiotic components. Example of biotic component?
Biotic. Tree, plant, etc.
Etc. Abiotic?
Abiotic. Water, table, pen, board.
Yes. Okay. So how many union territories have recently?
7.
7.
8.
8. 7. No. It's 8. Okay. Which is the biggest union territory?
Ladakh.
Ladakh. Capital of Ladakh? How many continents have at present in the world?
7.
7 continents. Which is the biggest continent? Asia. Smallest?
Europe.
Europe. Okay. India is the part of which continent?
Asia.
Asia. Okay. Can you tell me few neighbors countries of India?
Myanmar.
Myanmar. Vikram.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Pakistan. China.
Very good. Okay. Which neighbors countries border lines is maximum to the India?
Pakistan.
It's a Bangladesh. 4,096 kilometer long. Okay. So, what is the capital of Sikkim? Anybody know? Okay. What is the capital of UK? Uttarakhand.
Shimla.
What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Capital of Punjab and Haryana?
Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. Okay. So, how many oceans have in the world?
5.
5 oceans. Vikram, which is the biggest ocean?
Atlantic. Pacific.
Pacific Ocean. Smallest?
Arctic.
Arctic Ocean. Okay. So, in the atmospheres, there are the different layers here. Can you tell me anybody's the sequence pattern of the atmospheric layer? Vikram.
Troposphere, stratosphere, manosphere, ionosphere, exosphere.
Very good. Okay. Tell me in which part of the layers the aircraft hoverings?
Stratosphere.
Stratosphere. Okay. In which layers of the atmosphere there the greenhouse effect is happened?
Troposphere.
Troposphere. Okay. What is the length of troposphere?
18
18 kilometer. Very good. Okay. Where is the radio waves and satellites?
exosphere. Ionosphere.
Ionosphere. Okay. Thank you so much. Now you can go. Now you can see the performance of the students in the oral examination. Thank you so much.